Let's start with the Sekey multi-purpose outdoor folding wagon, a versatile tool for anyone who's serious about camping. This wagon uses advanced technology for its wheels, allowing for smooth maneuverability with less noise. Thanks to its large polyurethane wheels, the cart glides easily over various terrains from grass to mud to sand on the beach. What's more, it can carry up to 80 kilograms of gear, making it a fantastic option for hauling everything from firewood to picnic supplies. Setting up this wagon is a breeze. It folds compactly, so it won't take up too much space when not in use. Staying hydrated is key during camping trips, and clean water is a necessity. That's where the BIIB portable water purifier system comes in. This purifier incorporates an ultrafiltration membrane, activated carbon, and coconut carbon fiber to filter out impurities. The coconut carbon fiber even improves the taste of the water, so it doesn't just clean, but also enhances the quality. The compact design makes it easy to carry, weighing only 350 grams, and the built-in emergency light allows you to filter water in low light conditions, such as at night. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, it can purify up to 168 liters of water per charge, enough for a group of campers over several days. No camping trip is complete without a good multi-tool, and the BIIB 12-in-1 multi-tool hammer is as versatile as they come. As the name suggests, it offers 12 functions, including a mini hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, a file, and more. Measuring just 13.5 centimeters, it's compact and portable, easily fitting into your backpack, car, or even a toolkit for home use. Made of high-quality stainless steel, the BIIB multi-tool is tough enough for any outdoor project, from hammering tent stakes to fixing broken gear. Camping often means dealing with bugs, and that's where the FLEXTAIL Gear Tiny Repel comes into play. Weighing only 148 grams, this small but powerful mosquito repellent can be easily carried and placed wherever needed. It even doubles as a camping lamp, with adjustable brightness levels from 40 to 400 lumens to suit various lighting needs. The built-in 4,800 mAh battery ensures long-lasting power, offering up to 11 hours of continuous use. With its sturdy, waterproof design, you won't have to worry about it getting damaged by rain or outdoor conditions. Plus, it can be attached to iron surfaces thanks to its magnetic base. If you're planning to bring inflatables like air mattresses, pool floats, or sleeping pads, then the Tiny Pump 3-in-1 outdoor pump is a must-have. It comes equipped with 5 nozzles, making it versatile for inflating or deflating a variety of items. With its latest AIR Vortex technology, the Tiny Pump can inflate products rapidly, at 180 liters per minute. The Tiny Pump also functions as a camping lantern, providing 3 lighting modes. It has a built-in rechargeable battery, ensuring it's ready when you need it. Every camper needs a place to eat and relax, and the portable foldable picnic table is the perfect solution. This aluminum table is not only lightweight but also rust-resistant, meaning it can withstand tough outdoor conditions without getting damaged. The best part? It folds up neatly, making it easy to transport. It provides a sturdy surface for meals, card games, or simply relaxing with friends. When it's time to head home, just fold it up and slide it into your car's storage space. Camping in cold weather? The Lifesystems Rechargeable Twin Pack Dual Palm hand warmers will keep your hands warm and cozy. These sleek devices separate into 2 hand warmers, one for each hand, and can fit into any pocket. They heat up in just 10 seconds and offer up to 9 hours of warmth, depending on the heat setting. The unit's 5,000 mAh battery capacity ensures longevity, and it even doubles as a power bank for charging phones or other devices. Keeping food and drinks cold is crucial on camping trips, and the Adventure King's portable camping fridge freezer is designed to do just that. With a 35-litre capacity, this fridge freezer has digital controls that allow you to set temperatures from positive 10 degrees Celsius down to negative 18 degrees Celsius, perfect for preserving perishables. The fridge operates on both 12 and 24-volt power sources, making it suitable for use in vehicles, boats, and off-grid setups. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to transport and a game-changer for anyone who loves extended camping trips. For cooking, nothing beats a wood stove. The Cybertop wood camping stove is equipped with 2 adapters, offering 2 cooking positions for versatility. It's lightweight, making it easy to carry in your backpack. The stove's semi-split structure aids in cleaning and maintaining stability, and its high-temperature resistant glass ceramic window lets you monitor the fire inside. With its adjustable smoke pipes, you can control the stove's ventilation, making it perfect for different cooking needs. For coffee lovers, the WACACO Minipresso is a camping essential. This compact handheld espresso maker requires no electricity or batteries. Just add ground coffee, hot water, and pump the piston to extract a rich espresso shot with generous creamer. Lightweight and versatile, the Minipresso allows you to enjoy high-quality coffee in the great outdoors. Whether you're in the middle of a forest or by a lake, you can still enjoy a fresh cup of espresso to start your day right. When it comes to cleanliness, the BOXIO Wash Portable Sink offers a portable, foldable solution for washing dishes, hands, or even brushing your teeth. Made from recycled materials, this sink is durable and eco-friendly. The sink comes with a foot pump faucet for easy water flow, making it a great addition to any campsite, preschool, or outdoor gathering. Its compact design ensures it won't take up much space, yet it provides all the functionality you need. Camping in hot weather or poorly ventilated spaces can be challenging, but the Odoland portable fan with camping lantern solves 2 problems in one. This compact device serves as both a fan and a lantern, making it ideal for cooling down your tent while also providing light. The fan comes with high and low settings, allowing you to control the airflow to suit your needs. With 18 individual LED bulbs, the lantern can light up your tent, campsite, or car with ease. It's easy to set up, thanks to its collapsible design and hanging hook. This fan-lantern combo will keep you cool and well lit during your camping adventure. Starting a fire during a camping trip can be a challenge, especially in wet or windy conditions. The LcFun waterproof electric lighter is the perfect solution. Designed to work in all weather conditions, this lighter features a metal ring-sealed cover and locking clasp, which makes it waterproof. This electric lighter doesn't require gas or butane, as it's powered by a rechargeable lithium battery. A full charge takes about 2 hours and can be done via USB, making it incredibly convenient. A reliable light source is critical for any outdoor adventure, and the GearLight LED headlamp is one of the best options available. Each headlamp produces a brilliant, long-lasting beam with a runtime of up to 10 hours on the low setting. The headlamp has 7 different lighting modes, including a white strobe and a red safety light. They are lightweight, waterproof, and shockproof, making them perfect for use in various conditions.